In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import your own custom movie and then add it to your scene. To start, we're going to add a TV to the scene. Go ahead and click Landscape, click the Accessory button, and open up the library. In the categories on the left, we're going to select Entertainment, and then select the desired television. Click to add it and adjust it into the scene. Next, we're going to import a custom movie. To do so, click the Tools menu, and then select the Movie Import Wizard. Click Next, and then select the desired movie. Click Next, Next, and Finish. To set our custom movie, we're going to select the TV that we just added to our scene. And then in the Properties pane on the right, we're going to click on the Movie dropdown, and then select the desired movie name. As you can see, the video is now playing. By default, our software does have 6 videos you can choose from. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about our software, please visit ideaspectrum.com or email support@ideaspectrum.com.